And overboard! Yeah! Oh no! No! That is a wet one! Still dry.
Matt's doing a dry flip. And he's back up. Woohoo! Well done. Meanwhile, I sit here on the upside down sunfish.
Don't forget to hit the like button. It helps a ton with getting more people to see this and be inspired. This video was made during a recent small sailboat camping trip around the Apostle Islands of Lake Superior. I get a lot of questions about what and how I pack, and so in the description you can click on the link to join my email list and get a free download of the packing list that I use on these trips. Click the icon by my head to subscribe to be an AIRT. Click the playlist by the bow to see other sunfish sailing videos. And if you're new, welcome. You'll find inspiring videos, information to help you do the same, and encouragement to build confidence outdoors.